Let's be real. If you're watching this, you probably got a math exam coming up and you're not ready. Maybe you missed a few lectures. Maybe the assignments piled up. Or maybe math just isn't your thing and now the pressure is on. Don't panic. I've helped hundreds of students in this exact situation, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pass your math exam, even if you feel completely unprepared. If you need help with math, my contact will be in the description. Let's jump in. Step 1. Use the exam review, not the whole course. Here's what most students get wrong. They try to study everything: lectures, slides, old chapters, random modules, and they still fail. Why? Because exams don't test how much you study. They test what you study. That's why you need to go straight to the exam review. Go into your course portal, Canvas, Blackboard, My Math Lab. Scroll to the final module. You'll usually see something called Exam Review, Final, Prep, Practice, Test, Outline. That's the gold. Inside, you'll find checkmark. The exact topics that'll be tested, checkmark. The types of problems that show up, checkmark. And in many cases, the exact same questions, just with different numbers. I'm not exaggerating. Professors reuse questions. They're busy. They don't make brand new exams every time. So don't waste 10 hours rewatching old videos. Study the review, memorize the patterns. That's how you pass. Step 2. Use smart tools to solve fast. Let's be honest. You don't have time to spend 45 minutes stuck on one problem. Here's what to do. Open the exam review and use these tools to break things down fast. Symbolab, step-by-step for algebra, calculus, Mathway, Wolfram Alpha, great for word problems and logic-based questions. Desmos, perfect for graphing. emathhelp.net, super clear for topics like matrices, derivatives, and discrete math. These aren't cheating tools. They're how smart students learn fast. Just copy the question, paste it in, study the steps, then try it on your own. Even solving 15 to 20 real problems this way will help more than reading 200 slides. Step 3. Find solved questions online. Here's the hack nobody talks about. Most exam questions are recycled. They come from past semesters, textbook question banks in Pearson, MyLab, Alex, or Cengage databases. So here's where to find them. Quizlet, which has flashcards, plus solved steps. Chegg, which is paid but full breakdowns. Course Hero has notes, past papers, and outlines. Brainly or Just Answer, step-by-step help and community support. If you want cheap hacks to access this platform, just join. Discord study groups, Reddit homework threads, or Telegram channels. Lots of students share accounts, do group buys, or drop resources in real-time bonus. If you're out of time, behind on everything, and you just want to pass, don't be afraid to ask for help. That's literally what I do every single day. I help students pass their math courses, exams, quizzes, assignments, and I guarantee 90% plus on every project I take on. My contact is in the description. You can also join the Discord for more resources, walkthroughs, and toolkits.